Chrome 150 is starting to close the door on Manifest v2 extensions like uBlockOrigin, and Chrome 151 is about to slam it shut for almost regular users. The old flag and parameter tricks that kept MV2 running in Chrome are breaking in 150 and basically gone in 151 unless you are willing to dive into debugging tools and DLL patching. A GitHub issue for the Chromium for Windows 7 rework project first flagged that Chrome 150 removed the parameter that restored MV2 extension access. The maintainer said that updating to 150 dev built on Linux disabled the remaining MV2 extension, though they could still be toggled back on manually. People who updated to Chrome 150 watched their classic uBlockOrigin and other MV2 extensions get shut off. The uBlockOrigin team themselves shared a Q&A about what to expect. The flag used to be part of the recipe that let users install MV2 extensions from the Chrome web store and keep them running with a few command line switches. With Chrome 150, that specific path is gone, so you can't just use the old combo and expect everything to work again. There is still a bit of life left in 150 though. Some users say that you can disable the remaining extension Manifest v2 unsupported flag, then go to the extensions page and acknowledge the warning banner at the top to re-enable MV2 extension. One of the commenters even showed that after editing the disabled attribute in DevTools to unfreeze the toggles, Chrome displayed the re-enabled prompt and allowed MV2 extensions like uBlockOrigin to come back. It's clunky and fragile, but it exists. However, it looks like even this has been blocked in Chrome 151. Chromium 151 removes the extension Manifest v2 unsupported, removes extension Manifest v2 availability, and is expected to remove Allow Legacy MV2 extension as well. Some Chromium folks still have an easier way out. There's an internal gallow MV2 for testing switch, and flipping it to true basically turns MV2 support back without any flags. The Chromium for Windows 7 rework dev says they now only patch this one boolean in version 150.0.7863.0, and MV2 works again even for web store installs through direct links. A few power users are also patching stock Chrome. One dev used WinDBG to toggle gallow MV2 for testing in Chrome Canary, and others now point to the Chrome Plus project, which injects a DLL to do similar in memory patching on Chrome version 151. That stuff clearly isn't for regular users, but it proves that MV2 is still hiding in the engine even as Chrome pulls away the flags in UI. Another thing worth noting is that the Web Extensions PSA says Chrome 151 drops MV2 in all the consumer install modes, while enterprise and education builds keep it around with blocking web requests for now, and users who really care can even pretend to be an enterprise to keep installing MV2 extensions.